Hi guys, this is Haini. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best hot and sour Thai shrimp soup. This is the perfect soup. The spicy, sour, and citrus taste combined with a generous helping of large shrimp and the chewy shiitake mushrooms to warm and satisfy your body. If you like my channel, please remember to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye!